Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
As always, to view or purchase any products coming up in today's video, please click the links in the description below. Let's get started. Today's product is the Makita BO50312 125mm random orbit sander 240 volts. Some orbital sanders use third or half sandpaper sheets and are especially popular with decorators. Other orbital sanders use round sandpaper sheets for the sanding of wood, walls, paint, etc. They are utilised by a variety of people from woodworkers to DIY enthusiasts. Some of the small round pad orbital sanders can also be used single-handed for more detailed work. They are sometimes referred to as random orbit sanders. The features include the following. It has a high-powered 300 watts motor for heavy-duty sanding. It maintains a constant speed under load and has a variety of electronic speed controls via dial. There is a built-in dust collection system and accepts hook and loop style papers. The specifications include the following. An abrasive disc which is 125mm. It has a 4000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. The orbit diameter is 2.8mm and the pad size is 123mm. It has an input of 300 watts. The noise sound pressure is 80 decibels. The vibration when sanding is 4 meters a second squared. And finally the net weight is 1.3 kilograms. Makita, which was founded in 1915, is the foremost manufacturer of power tools in the world with 100 years of experience. Their products are lauded worldwide for both of their performance and quality. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.